Hi, my name is Stormy with Rosie in Phoenix. I wanted to hop on and share a screen recording of my Sunday morning notes. Now, if you have been following along this week, you'll know that I have been giving some tips for how and why I study my Bible, what I circle, notes I make on the side, that sort of thing. If you have any ideas, please just let me know. I would love to integrate those. This Sunday, our pastor is teaching on yielding to God and what that looks like. So I sped this up and did a lot of editing because this video started almost 45 minutes long, and when I turned it down, I got it down to a minute, and I thought it might be fun for you to see those tips in action. Have a really blessed Sunday. Take some notes of your own at church this morning. If you aren't sure where to go, please let me know, and I will help you find a new place to visit for next week. And please like, follow, share, all the things here at Rosie in Phoenix so more people can hear the good news. Have a great day and a really, really great week.